Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the presets in the Adobe Lightroom app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Lightroom app, then we have to open it. And now we have to choose the photo, that which photo you want to use. For example, now you will get the option like this one here. And I'm going to choose this photo here. So as you can see, now we have chosen it. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, we have to choose the presets option. So I'm going to click on this. For example, as you can see, these options are provided in Adobe Portrait. I'm gonna back this here. As you can see, now there are two types of presets. If you want to download these premium, you can also do that. If you want to go to US section, you can also do that, and some recommended are also provided here. So it will be recommend you, and you can choose any of them as well. As you can see, these are provided here, like this one it's up to you, whatever you are choosing. But I'm going to the US section, as you can see, and you will get the creative, and now you can get any of them as well. So it's up to you, whatever and how you are using it. So in this way you can use the presets. Simply we have to click on the right, and as you can see, now the preset is applied here. In this way you can apply the presets on the Adobe Lightroom. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.